Hi guys, I have a few new items. We have a new Rabbit Hole Designs release, and I have some new products from Whimsy Stamps to share. I also want to let you guys know that our mini Not Too Shabby winter release will be November 1st at 9 a.m. Central. So I'm going to do a little sneak peek. Probably tomorrow I'll share the stamps and I'll share a card that I created. So for the Rabbit Hole Designs, we have two new caffeinated critters. I love their caffeinated critters. They're so cute and fun. They always come with really great sentiments. This one is the caffeinated parrot. He's got his coffee. His sentiment reads, Polly wants a cappuccino. Hashtag coffee talk. No talkie before coffee. And then we've got the caffeinated raccoon, which is very, very sweet with this big old cup of coffee. A heart. Hashtag I may need more coffee. Coffee date with a question mark. Then we've got Campfire Coffee Club. And then your trash can or mine. Feisty. Coffee, tea, or trash. This one's called Blended Sentiments 2. So it's all about coffee. We've got coffee in quarantine, caffeinate and create. Well, la-ti-da. Happy birthday, better latte than never. Does this coffee make me look productive? Sometimes having coffee with your best friend is all the therapy you need. Coffee, the vodka of mornings. Tea, the gateway drug to biscuits. Caffeine, because adulting is hard. Current mood, caffeinated and feisty. Too much Monday, not enough coffee. There is a time and a place for decaf, never, and in the trash. Then we've got social distancing, not coffee distancing. So that's a great set. And I love this new cloud stencil. I love the shape of these clouds. You get the negative and the positive. There's also clouds that go around the corner here. So lots of clouds to work with. Then we've got two other great stencils. So two great patterns there. If you're dipping into the foiling like I am, these are really perfect to do the duo gel, transfer duo gel, and then the foil. There's two new paper pads for Whimsy Stamps. I love this one. This one is so pretty. Perfect for holidays. I just love these patterns and colors. And this one is called the Gilded Holiday. So it's gold, black, and white. There's a couple of new slimline dies. We've got the slimline lacy scallop die. I think this one is perfect for the holidays. I love this little lacy border. And then you get these two on the inside and then the banner. So they do indent little dots all the way around, so that is very nice. This is the Slimline Scenic Window Die. Get a nice thick frame on here. Lots of details all the way around. The Slimline Marquee Die. This one is very popular. This one's back in stock. I just love this one. And then I saw this one. I thought this was really cool. Slimline Wobbly Windows Die. So I missed ordering this one before. Very, very cool. Wobbly circles and all the way around with stitching. And then I grabbed these two, the comic book page and the little comic girls. And this one, what is this one called? It is called Gossip Holiday Girls. And they just go perfect with this little comic strip frame. It's freaking cold outside. I love the sentiment. I think we need more stamps. That's awesome. So thanks for stopping by, guys. I'll have the links down below to the Whimsy section and the rabbit hole design section, and I will catch you in a new video tomorrow. Bye, guys.